So how is it that we can be on this istiqamah? Well, number one, you cannot be saved as youth or even as elders unless you have the correct Aqeedah. And we always hear the scholars of Islam saying Aqeedah comes first. But what is Aqeedah? What is the definition of Aqeedah? Everyone says, oh, I'm Aqeedah Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, I'm the Aqeedah and the manhaj of this and that. What is Aqeedah? It's not something you talk about. It is not something you can say, oh, Tawheed al-Rububiyyah, Tawheed al-Uluhiyyah, Tawheed al-Asma'i wa Sifat. Khalas, this is Aqeedah. It's a package deal that includes your conviction of Allah, the pillars of Iman, how to glorify Allah, how to revere the Quran, the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, to believe in the unseen. All of these combined constitute your Aqeedah. And when we look today at what we have with the social media, the influx and the expansion and the explosion of social media, this has led to the corruption of our Aqeedah without us knowing us. Why? Because we learn from people we do not know. Someone who popped up last week, oh, he has how many followers? Wow, 200,000. He should be good. So we judge people by what? The number of followers, the number of likes, whether they're funny or not. I like Sheikh Assim, wallah, he's savage, he's rude, he's awesome, he's khalas, I will follow him. You crazy? Why do you follow me? I always walk in the streets and I look behind me. Who's following me? They have to explain it to them, wallah. Anyhow, sorry, I speak sometimes and I don't pay attention. So don't follow me, please, when I'm walking. You can follow me on social media. Anyhow, you have to look at whom you take your religion from, because so many today have corrupt Aqeedah. Someone comes and says, oh, Muslim rulers are kafir. Oh, Muslims are all in hell because they fornicate, they drink wine, they do this, they're all kafir. This is Khawarij. His Aqeedah is corrupt. Yeah, but he's very funny, I like him. No, he's Khawarij, you cannot follow him. Or someone who comes to you and says, Allah is everywhere. What do you mean? Yeah, Allah is maybe, let me, astaghfirullah, are you crazy? Allah is on the arsh, on the seventh heaven. No, this is hululiyah. You're not correct. Allah is everywhere. This is not true. Someone says, Akhi, you say La ilaha illallah, khalas, you're in Jannah. You do whatever you want. You do qat. You do qat here? Wa'udhu billah. You do drugs, you do intoxicants, you go to nightclubs. No problem, you're in Jannah. You say La ilaha. This is irja. So what is the correct Aqeedah? This is what you have opened for yourself, a can of worms. And now the worms are all over you. You're not following Quran and Sunnah. You're following any Tom, Dick and Harry. Where do you get your religion from? TikTok, Sheikh. MashaAllah. This is where you get your religion from. TikTok. Yeah, I saw a Sheikh, very long beard. Not as long as yours, Sheikh Asim, but very long. And he said something and I believed it. What's his name? I don't know. Who are his scholars? I don't know. How long you've known him? 2 weeks. And you're taking your religion from TikTok? You're crazy. Aqeedah is the most important thing. Scholars you learn from have to be on the manhaj. Not only halal, haram and quoting to be good. Their association. You get some shuyukh, mashallah, sitting with women and laughing and assalamu alaikum, mashallah. Hey, what? So it's okay. So laughing in your Muslim brother's face is sadaqah. Brother, not sister. We don't have any gender discrimination, Sheikh. A'udhu billah. Watch out, Aqeedah. You cannot be mustaqim without having pure Aqeedah. This is what will make you walk safely on the sirat on Jannah. Bi'idhnillah, to Jannah. Without the correct Aqeedah, you'll fall. Definitely. You'll crawl. Definitely. So number one is Aqeedah. And number two, to follow the Sunnah. And this, mashallah, now is Allah Yastur. Number two is to have al-istiqamah on the Sunnah. What's the opposite? Bid'ah. So the moment you see someone doing bid'ah, something that the Prophet did not do, alayhi salatu wasalam, but he says, this is good. I celebrate the Mawlid. Yaqi, Mawlid is bid'ah. He says, you Wahhabis, everything bid'ah, bid'ah, bid'ah. Yeah, but the Prophet didn't celebrate Mawlid, right? The Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali, they didn't celebrate Mawlid. Sahaba, no Mawlid. Tabi'een, tabi'een. So you want to be with them on Jannah? You want istiqamah? Follow them. You love the Prophet ﷺ and love the day he was born in? Fast every Monday. Fast every Thursday. Oh, fasting is too much. Why? Sheikh, if I don't take my shot of latte in the morning, I can't go to work. And then, excuse me, where is your istiqamah? So avoid bid'ah. Avoid making innovative dhikr. Avoid making, oh, I love the Prophet, I will do as-salat al-fatih lima yughlaq. I see people making salat on Prophet ﷺ and everything. What are you doing? I said, Yallah, Bismillah, come on, let's dance. What are you doing? I said, offering salutation upon the Prophet. But why are you clapping? He said, no, this is salatul nariyah, as-salatul fatih lima yughlaq, as-salat, and all of this innovation. Salat, they have never heard of in the Quran and the Sunnah. Avoid innovation, because the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever innovates in our religion what's not part of it, it is what? Rejected. Allah will throw it in your face. Not accepted. Allah will say, I sent you the Quran. I sent you Muhammad ﷺ with authentic Sunnah, and you said, this is not enough. I will invent something new. I have this salah. It's very nice. I will pray like a gazillion salah. I have dhikr. I will have these prayer beads and I say Allah, 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 hu, hu, hu. What are you doing? Say dhikr. MashaAllah, you're gonna fly now. All of this is bid'ah and it's not part of the istiqamah. And whoever creates a bid'ah and spreads it, he has killed a sunnah. Man ahya bid'ah faqad amata sunnah. So you are destroying the sunnah of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam.